Good day, everyone. Let's fix something on a Saturday. We have this external hard drive. It's a 320 external hard drive which came in for repair. The owner said the external is no longer working. Even if you plug in, it's not reading. I can't access to my files. That the hard drive. It's a 320 external hard drive. So I'll plug it here. Yeah, this USB hub is connected to my PC. So I'll go straight on the screen. You can see here, there's only my hard drive 390 and 540 because I partitioned. This is a 1 terabyte hard drive. So it's not being seen by the PC. So that's what we have to fix here. That's what we have to fix. Let's unplug here. And let's get inside this. So there are two options. Either the external is faulty or the hard drive is faulty. But I can't hear even the spinning of the hard drive. So what can be fault on this drive? Many they are saying these things they are not fixable. Yeah, it is true because the rate of repairability of hard drive is very low. You can fix, but you can't fix too many. Okay. So we need to get inside the hard drive. Let's get inside. Maybe we can see something. Let's check out all the screws. I'm really eager to know what can be faulty on a hard drive. I'm really eager to know what can be faulty here. Okay. We have this part with the disk thing. Okay. We have this motherboard with some chips, components. Maybe can be better if you go under microscope, okay? So what do you have here? What do you have? We have this big chip. Can you see this big chip? I'm trying to put the microscope on focus so that you can see clearly. How is it now? Now looks better. So we have this chip. We have some capacitor, this connector. We have some inductors and capacitor of same size. This looks like a BIOS chip. Yeah, it is a BIOS. We do have a coil. We have the driver. We have this capacitor. What do you think about this capacitor? Maybe if I zoom in, you can see what I'm seeing here. What do you think about this capacitor? Hmm? This one. This capacitor looks weird anyway. That's the processor. Otherwise, the board looks fine. So let's check those capacitors. Here. This one is reading a short. This one is short. This one is short. This one is short. Because they are in parallel mode, okay? If one capacitor is showing a short, all the capacitor will show a short. Because they are connected in parallel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 4 capacitors in short. If we go on other capacitors, I'm just doing random checking of capacitors. So let's concentrate here, which I believe is the problem. So why capacitors, they are failing almost every time? What do you think about this capacitor? Huh? Why capacitors, they are failing every time? Let's take down the capacitor. The capacitor is out. Same spot, checking for short again. You can see on the screen, the short is gone. So we need a replacement of that capacitor. We need a replacement of that capacitor. The value of the capacitor, no one knows. Our capacitor is now in place. Our capacitor is now in place. It's not shorted anymore. Okay. So I think we are ready to test. I think we are ready to test. Maybe we are lucky this time. Maybe we are lucky this time. Let's put back all the screws. So capacitors, they are failing everywhere. But this is I don't remember having a shorted cap on the hard drive circuit panel. I don't remember. But it seems as if everything is fake these days. So let's plug this here. And now that moment to test. So do you think we now have a working external here? So let's test. I'll plug it here. We do have this 10 ports USB hub. I'll plug on the first one. And I'll go to the screen. Check here. We now have 3 partitions and a new volume D. So it's this one. You're gonna access all the files. We can send something. We can send something to D. Replace, and it's loading. So we are done. We are done. It's working. So basically, yeah, the hard drive is spinning. I can hear the sound. So basically, that's how you fix a hard drive, but it's not always the case. You find out many faults on hard drives. You find out many hard drives. In our case, it's very simple. If you go back on the screen again, here, you can see this one with the partition 298, because this is a 320 gig external hard drive. So it's displaying 298. So we can conclude that the job is done. What a nice repair on a weekend, Saturday. So what I would do, I'll stop this video now, because yeah, we are now approaching Christmas and the end of year. Hopefully, you know, don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive. Just spend a nice time over the holiday traveling from point A to point B. There's no hurry in Africa. So remember to limit your speeds on the road, because we live once. So there's no correction in life. If bad things happen, that will affect you the rest of your life. Anyway, our external is fixed. I'm happy. The customer will be happy also. We are in a position to recover all the files. And yeah, probably see you on the next one. Bye.